just uploaded the last video, the one about me having my uploading problems. So I might take that one down early enough to see it before I delete the video maybe. I don't know if I will take it down or not. But I did delete the Fortnite video because I couldn't upload, it wasn't going to let me upload the video I just made, so I was like, oh, come on, that was a good video. And plus the footage wasn't even good. I mean, for a third of the time, it was just me trying to set the camera up. And then it keeps falling over, so I have to stop in my match to set the camera back up. And I didn't get any kills whatsoever. All I did was die, and die. And then me being super excited about Playground coming back after it was long gone. I thought it was gone forever. It's back. I love it. Press like if you love Playground and you love that it's back. Like, I really hope that it's permanent. Kind of like 50v50. That's been here for like forever now. I don't even like 50v50. It's boring. You don't get as many kills because other people will be like, oh, my teammate, I hear him fighting. Let's go. And I also have a cringy gun thing. And if you're wondering where I put all this stuff in my room, you're like, wait, where'd all this stuff go? Since I cleaned my room. Because I can just walk around freely. I'll show you around. I'll push you around, this little chair around, since this is what I upload on. I am doing this without even crushing a single toy. If you remember the tour video I had of my little room, you saw how messy it was. There's like nothing here anymore. Look, I'm gonna switch the camera. Alrighty? So, there's all the stuff in a little corner. Oh, where's the camera? Next to the bed. There's the bed, and there's extra materials for the bed because it turns into a couch. But this is upstairs if you look closely. Blinds. A little ladder here I shall climb. But my parents are sleeping, so. Stairs. Proves that I live in a two-story house. Why is the camera on the bottom? Like, here's the top, you can't see it. Bottom, there's my arm. Very annoying because I want to hold my arm like at the bottom. It's the bottom of my iPad. It's annoying. That's why I use that chair right there. It's hard to point. It's the camera like right there. That chair, I set it on like the outline of here and here. So it kind of just rests right there. And I switch the camera to face, and the little camera's right there. I kind of adjust it, and then I press go, and then you see me back up, adjust the chair to how I like it, like this. And then boom, I start recording, like usual. Anyway, I'm guessing that you guys do want to see that my camera charged, not dead, because it turned off like every 10 seconds, so it was on, because it was low battery. I will show you it. You can cut to, I don't know, just cut like 30 seconds, you know? Press the click the side. You're hearing like boop, 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 like boop, 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 like 3 times. After I leave the screen to get the camera, actually no, do it like 2 minutes. Actually no, a minute. Like a minute and 30. Do that much. Do a minute and 30 because since my parents are sleeping, I don't want to wake them up. Like, what the heck are you doing? I'm gonna be like, shutting off my camera for a video. And I told them that I already did, so. I'm like, why again? Be like, show them that's charged. Yeah, so I'm gonna be right back, so cut it right now. Something seems open. The door or something. Blinds. Feels like it at least. I can't tell if it is or not, but I'm gonna go downstairs. I think you can hear me breathing. I'm kind of scared. I do not have a weapon. Or do I? Who knows? Sticks. Since I did go to Taekwondo for like 2 years or 3 years, I know how to use nunchucks, swords, and bow staff. If you're wondering what a bow staff is, like, what the heck is a bow staff? I'll tell you, it's just a stick. It's a long wooden pole that you can. I can show you some plastic version over here in my corner next to the telescope. Oh, I heard something. So I can go slowly though, but that's slow, so I'll show you fast. And I can do a back spin sometimes. Hold up. There we go. A little bit of that. Pretty sure my parents are awake now. So I will be right back. I am leaving to go downstairs. I'm gonna kind of put the camera back behind the ping pong table. I'm gonna end the recording here.